ito ay para sa senior high school na. So, pipili tayo ng best in work immersion. Siyempre, best in work immersion sa bawat track na ito, kakabsat. Kasi halimbawa, itong school namin, nag-offer siya ng STEM, gas, and fumes. O yung ibang school, salos lahat ng tracks. So, sa dami ng mga bata, halimbawa, yung school, libo-libo yung mga bata, so per track na to. So, this award may be given to grade 12 graduating students who have exemplified outstanding performance based on the terms of reference or engagement set by the school and evaluation of the direct supervisor and subject teacher. Itong parangal na ito ay maibibigay with the high efficiency rating para sa kasipagan, kabaitan at consistency ng performance ng isang bata during sa pag-duty niya sa kanyang work immersion place. And in connection with this, gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi lang naman sila nag-work immersion, hindi lang sila nag-time in out at nagtrabaho doon. After that, magpre-prepare pa sila ng kanilang portfolio and i-defend nila ang kanilang portfolio, lahat ng manaranasan nila sa work immersion place. At doon makikitaan din natin, syempre, using our rubrics kung sino ang the best sa work immersion at sino ang napakaraming natutunan sa work immersion. So, awards for research and innovation para sa grade 12 din ito. So, specific to the senior high school tracks. So, pag maraming just the same, parang sa work immersion. So, different researches for each track. STEM, fumes, gas, TVL, ABM, okay, at kung ano-ano pa, kung marami pang iba, di ba? So, tingnan natin yung table, kung paano sila magragraduhan sa kanilang research. At meron tayong award para sa best research for the school year. So, output, research grade dapat 20%. Halimbawa, 98 ang grade niya, 20% nun. And then yung output niya, 35%. Yung research presentation niya, kasi i-defend niya yon 15%. Okay, and syempre pa, yung pinaka-output niya, originality, relevance, 15%, 25%. So, a total of 100%. Ipapakita natin yon, Ma'am Francis, innovation criteria and weights, yung table niya. Okay.